You think fridge and vacuum are just everyday words.
They're actually modular engineering patents, your guide to speaking the world's most transparent language. Most learners see German vocabulary as random, full of long, mysterious compounds. But German builds words like Lego bricks. Each piece names a functional part. Take Staubsauger. Staub means dust. Sauger means sucker. Put the bricks together and you get a dust sucker, a vacuum. Kühlschrank. It's literally cool plus cabinet. A cool cupboard that keeps food fresh. Meanwhile, Handschuh is hand plus shoe. Those aren't just hand shoes, they're gloves, literally footwear for your hands. And Fernseher, it's far plus seer, a far seer that brings distant scenes into your living room. German doesn't just name things, it explains them. This systematic approach makes vocabulary predictable once you learn to read the engineering blueprint hidden in every compound word. Next time you see a German household term, break it down. You'll unlock the engineering logic behind the language.